needs analysis and its users, for which purpose needs analysis is conducted, and who is going to use the needs analysis. I mean, the information collected through needs analysis. Okay, so let's have a look at some of the key users of needs analysis. Okay, the first one is the Ministry of Education. I mean, which is responsible for planning language curriculum, devising different set of principles and objectives of the curriculum. So it's the ministry is the primary audience of needs analysis, and then we've got obviously the teachers who conduct the needs analysis. I mean, they conform their pedagogy to the needs conducted through needs analysis. Okay, and then we've got the learners. So these are different stakeholders, and then we've got textbook writers as well. So these are different users of needs analysis who make the use of information collected through surveys, questionnaires, or consultation or observation. Okay, and then the key stakeholder is the testing personnel. For example, the assessment process. So this is how, I mean, different variables are involved when we talk about who are the users of needs analysis. We mean to say the ministry, the teachers, the learners, and textbook writers and the evaluators. Right. There are two types of needs. I mean, users of needs analysis. It could be at smaller scale or larger scale. Right. The smaller scale is, for example, the teacher, a single teacher conducting a needs analysis in a language classroom. So that will be kind of small scale needs analysis, because the teacher needs specific coordination between the staff, I mean, her colleagues or the administration. And on the other, we've got larger scale needs analysis, which is conducted at wider purpose. And we've got different people who are involved in larger scale needs analysis. For example, I mean, the ministry officials are basically involved in large scale needs analysis as compared to the small scale needs analysis. Right. Okay. In order to better understand the significance of small and larger scale needs analysis, we better take a look at this observation, and this quote is about analyzing the importance of various audiences or the users of needs analysis. So let's have a look. It's important to remember that not all key audiences are likely to be identified at the start of a study. I mean, it's not predetermined that who is going to be the users of needs analysis. I mean, we can't exclusively determine whether it's going to be the learners, teachers, or the ministry. Rather, it's entirely possible that the relative importance of various audiences will change during the study. So the users of needs analysis is quite dynamic process, which means that it keeps changing with the passage of time, and needs analysis can be conducted while the program is being designed or during the implementation or the evaluation phase. So it's quite integrated process, right? So there is a political dimension to the users of needs analysis, and I think this is important to understand here with the help of an example, right? What's the political dimension to attach to the users of needs analysis? For example, for example, a director actually, in the light of already conducted needs analysis decides to replace the whole staff instead of retraining them, right? And this judgment of replacing the staff instead of retraining them can be justified on the ground of the information collected through needs analysis. So the whole notion that we have got here about the uses of needs analysis is that needs analysis is conducted for different audiences, and these audiences can't be, predetermined. Rather, this is quite cyclical process, which means it's a dynamic one, and its users could be the ministry, the learners, the teachers, or some other users might emerge later on.